Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a degree symbol on your like a 52 degree, 60 degree like that on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the degree symbol on your WPS presentation? So first I just need to show that app. So this is called Google Keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. So why is I just showing this keyboard? Because you can't find any insert symbol option on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. So instead of that, I just going to show this Google Keyboard as an alternative because you can find the symbol show. So while you're opening your keyboard, you just need to click on the number section first. Then you just need to click on the, for an example, 50 degree. Okay. So just need to click on the symbol section again, and you can find the symbol here like 50 degree. For an example, 65 degree. Okay. So click on this number section and symbol section, and you can just insert it. So this is the way that you can just insert the symbol, degree symbol like 65 degree, 95 degree like that on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable presentation content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.